Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to another episode from Pacific Arc Tig Welding. Today, for a Halloween episode, I'm gonna make a spooky TIG welded pumpkin. Just to throw this out there, this is not my idea. I actually saw this on another guy's channel. The guy's channel's name is 6061.com, and I'll put a link to that in the description below so you can watch his too. And dude, if you're watching, thanks a lot. I don't mean to rip you off. I just thought it looked kind of fun. I wanted to try it too. For anyone that's watching, please subscribe, like, share, check out the rest of my videos on my channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy it. Happy Halloween. All right, everyone, thanks a lot for watching this one. Again, I got this idea from the channel 6061.com. The link is in the description, so check that guy's YouTube page out as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as comment, like, and share and all that stuff. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. Don't eat too much candy. See ya.